If you want to change the passcode on your iPhone, it's really quite simple. Pop into the settings, scroll down on the main settings page until you get to Face ID and passcode. Enter your passcode here, scroll down to where it says Change Passcode, tap on that. Since I have Face ID activated, it requires Face ID. I have to enter my current passcode, then I enter my new passcode again. And it says for the next 72 hours, you can't use your previous passcode. And hopefully I can remember my new one, because I just got it wrong. There we go. It's working right up here. Now the new passcode is in effect. I can't go back to the old one for 72 hours if I want to go back to the old one at all. If you don't know your passcode and you want to change your passcode, that gets a little more tricky. That will involve resetting your iPhone, because the passcode is kind of core to the security of the phone and always has been. So if you don't remember your passcode, you're going to have to reset your phone and then replace the passcode or update the passcode that way. If you want to make sure your phone is scam proof, scan this QR code right here with your phone if you're watching on a TV or a similar device, or click on the link in the description down below. It'll take you to a website where you can download this step-by-step guide for free to help you scam proof your phone. And you might also want to make sure that no one's tapping your phone and listening to your phone calls. This video shows you how to figure out if someone is and how to stop it. So check that video out next. If you got value from the video you just watched, like and subscribe to let me know, and I will see you on that one.